Hi, Clea. What you want? Huh? What you want? Tell Mama. What you want? Come on. You want food? Clea? You want food? Come on, honey. Clea? What you want, honey? What kind? Which one? Let me see what you have here. Let's find out. Come on. Hurry up. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. There is a special kitty and the flavor is savory salmon. You want salmon? You want salmon? You see right here? Savory salmon and try. Okay. You want that? Let's see what's on the fridge here. Oh wow, you got leftover here. You got flakes of tuna in egg bits. You want that instead? Clea? You want it? You ready? Come on, honey. It's okay. Okay? What do you want?